and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my little delve into Myles and Tessa's 7-day Footwork Agility challenge, which is an amazing challenge. So let's get into it. If you're new here, my name's Philippe de Barros and I love to post tutorials and performances in West Coast swing and solo dance. And I've got influences in styles like commercial, hip hop, contemporary and ballet. So I'd like to invite you, if you'd like to subscribe to this channel, you're very welcome to. By click on that subscribe button and switching on those notifications, and to share to any friends that you feel could help them. And if you have any comments, any questions, feel free as well to write below. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you Myles and Tessa's amazing 7-day Footwork Agility challenge. Really excited about that. So I've got my laptop here and I haven't yet opened my emails, but I think the emails come through with the first day's challenge. So it's a free challenge. It's on they have a Facebook group where we all post our videos and share encouragement and advice. Each day there'll be a video where they teach us something, and then we'll do some drills to practice those things. So let's see together if we have the email, and let's do this. Very exciting. So here we are. Here's the how to do the pre-video first. So let's get on with it now.
I'm going to start you off with some essential techniques that you're going to need to apply to all your drills for the rest of the challenge.
Then we'll tell you how to tackle the drills for day 1.
So let's get started.
Let's go.
If that foot rolling is difficult for you, chances are you might be sucking those glutes in, squeezing your pelvis.
So just finished the video essential techniques. Great stuff. Now I'm going to start the official day 1 video. So here we go. Here we go.
Hi, welcome to day 1 of the Footwork Agility Challenge. We're going to describe the drills for day 1.
Finished now on this laptop. Watching the video and practicing along with the great Myles and Tessa. Now I'm going to practice those drills and hopefully record it as well for the Facebook group. Drill number 1. Number 2. And now the third one. Really interesting, I was on those quicks. I was thinking about, oh gosh, there's a lot of light there, isn't there? was thinking about not rolling more than the toe over the big toe. So that helps me maybe to save having to put my weight across on the quicks when we haven't got much time. So here we go. Let me do those quick ones. Yes, so that is day one done. A lot of good stuff there, a bit sweaty and not ideal to be filming in this room. It's so small, so my practice drills are really tight. But yeah, think about some really interesting things, which is cool. And doing those quicks was quite fast actually as well. Those quick and slows. So see you tomorrow for day 2. Hello everybody, it's Philippe from London. I live in Portugal and here is my drills for day 1, which is the B drill with the quick, slow. I'm thinking about articulating the feet as well. So going forward to the heel, quick and slow, quick and slow, quick and slow. Hi guys, it's day 2 now of the challenge, so just open up my laptop. I'm going to check the emails, so let's take you with me as we look at the computer. And here it is, the day 2 email. Right, there we are, let's do it.
Hi, and welcome to day 2 of the Footwork Agility Challenge. If you're just joining us, be sure.
Enjoy!
Here we are, it's day 3 and they're going to read the Myles and Tessa day 2 encouragement. So here we go, here's the day 2 encouragement. Yes, here we go.
You need to be proactive in seeking feedback, such as getting private lessons or practicing with a partner.
I have ability to change direction right off the bat.
I'm just revisiting the Essential Techniques video and it's really interesting actually to learn about the 5 segments of the foot and how much weight we put on each segment. It's really good to revisit that, so I'm watching that one again here, as you can see. Thanks Tessa, and well, thanks Myles and Tessa. Yeah, just gone through like loads of recap videos and also extra stuff with really good points that's been mentioned. It was good to go over actually the essential techniques and just refresh myself about things. And now I'm actually going to go now into day 3's videos, so we're going to turn this around so you can see. Day 3, and let's go. Woo!
Welcome to day 3 of the Footwork Agility Challenge.
Now, day 2, drill 9. Which is the B drill, oversized steps and music.
Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down, my love, cool down.
You can do it. 2 more days. This is where the challenge really starts to pay off, so don't stop now.
Let's go. Here we go. Exciting stuff. It's loading up. So here we are now in Cunningham. This is the beautiful town hall and probably slightly exposed as you can see here, but hopefully you can hear me as well. And look at this, beautiful. So here we go, I've been watching loads of videos, it's really interesting. The actual days, you know, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, the guides and the encouragements and the feedbacks. I'm now on number 7, day 7, so I'd like to start watching that one. And I'm on holiday and the room is now free, So here we go for day 7.
Hey challengers, welcome to day 7.
It's the day, the 7-day Footwork Agility Challenge done by Myles and Tessa. And yeah, I have to say I crammed a lot in today. I've been able to shoot the videos to show my practicing, but I've watched them all, and I think I've also watched all of the recaps, encouragements, and also a lot of the drills on that Myles teaches, and I feel like I've learned so much. It's time for a break now. I think it's been about an hour and a half, so just have a break. It's going to be counterproductive if I keep trying to push through. Probably won't be enough time to shoot my videos now to post in the group, which is a shame, because I wanted to try for those points. Yeah, for those points to win a prize. But oh well, but I've still learned a lot, and yeah, I might continue working through these over the next few days. So thanks for following me, everybody, and just encourage you as well to enjoy your dancing and don't be afraid to try your dreams and your passions. Take care, guys. Bye bye. There's me holding my lovely mic here, and let's wait for that to go back to where it was before. Oh dear, it's on auto ISO, is it? Surely. Hi guys, it's Philippe here, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't met me before, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you